Alright, what's up YouTube? This is a video on how to keep your tires fresh or renew them. Either one, it increases traction, but also makes your tires, people say it makes your tires wear more because there's more traction. That's true, but the whole point of this video is to increase traction, make it so it's brand new. And the way I do it, I just use WD-40. I use the normal one. There's many types like silicone. There's other types as well, but I use the normal one. Now this is supposed to be for rust, stopping squeaks, and lubricating. But there's many other things you could do. The reason this works is because it messes around with the compound of the tires. I don't know exactly what happens, but there's a reaction that makes it stickier. That's what people say, but I don't think that's the case. I think the case is the oil itself is sticky once it's dry, just like cooking oil. It's that type of thing. I don't think it's the tire itself getting softer. Now, this will work on every tire, crawler, short course, street, all of them. It should work. It will work. What I do, I just get a towel and spray it down with WD-40 just slightly, and I coat him twice, or I put it through the WD-40 twice. I've already done this set of tires and this is the second time. Just like that. And I use my hands to rub it around. I don't put it afterwards. I'll put him in a Ziploc bag, but first I let some of this moisture evaporate. It's like a few minutes. Every set of tires I do this to twice. Some people like to get a towel spray with WD-40 and then put it straight into a Ziploc bag. Or there's other ways people do, but this is how I do it. It works well, and it's one of the quickest ways. It's like, now this black does come from the tire itself. It's not dirt. I don't know, it might be dirt, but I think it's from the tire itself. Okay, just like that. Now, these are all-terrain tires. That's why I do it twice. These crawler tires, you could do it however many times as you want, because the thread is not going to wear. You're going like 5 miles per hour. Short course, you're going about between 20 and 40 miles per hour. You can do it a few times. Street tires, I tried to do, okay, I got the GRP S7s on purpose so I can get more less wear, but I usually do this like very little bit. I don't like to do this much with these. I just do it so that these stay fresh. Other than that, I don't do it much to street tires. Make sure you get it spread around on the tire well. Otherwise, there's going to be weird performance in your tire. Now you're going to have to do this every few runs, like every 5 runs or something like that you're going to have to do. Or after every 2 hours of run time. Now that was 2 whole sets of tires already done. Hope this helped y'all. Anyways, this is the GRPs. This is how dark my hand got just from GRPs. From the Slash, it's about that color. This is what the oil does. And that's why I don't like to put it through much oil. I just do a little bit just to make the tires brand new. Anyways, hope this helped y'all. Peace. Alright, so I just coated these with WD-40. These are insanely sticky. Like, just like look at it, how it pulls my like skin. You can just listen to the traction. I like to rinse these off, but I let the WD-40 settle in about 5 to 10 minutes, no more. Otherwise, this is gonna be too soft. Just quickly water it down. I use warm water. It helps get the oil out better. Just rinse it. And it's like that. A few second rinse. And then your tire should be brand new. If you like, you can leave the oil in. But if you do, your traction is going to be a lot insane, but so is your wear. It's going to wear very quick. And the last tire. Okay, that's it. After this, just let this dry and then put it in a Ziploc bag and then store it or keep it in there until your next run. Anyways, peace. Alright, this is how I lay them all out to dry overnight. Just on a piece of toilet paper. All the wheels. Just like that. You can leave them, just leave them a minimum of 6 hours and you'll be good.